Hostinger also has something for more technical users, and that's VPS hosting. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, and it gives you your own dedicated server that you have full control over. Think of it kind of like this. With regular web hosting, you're renting an apartment in a building. With a VPS, you're renting the whole building. You decide what goes in it and how it runs. So why would you even want a VPS? Well, if you're deploying custom web apps, running AI agents or assistants, setting up Docker containers, or doing anything that needs more power and control than a standard hosting plan gives you, you'll want a VPS. It's not something that most beginners will need. And if you're just building a website, everything we already covered has you taken care of. But if you're doing anything on the more technical side, or you're just curious about what's possible, Hostinger's VPS plans are a great option. I also have a special discount link for Hostinger's VPS plans linked in the description, and I also have a full Hostinger VPS tutorial linked there as well if you want to go deeper on that one. And if you haven't grabbed your hosting plan yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. That link will make sure you're getting the best deal available. And there's also special discount links for Hostinger Horizons and VPS plans linked down below as well.